place when I drift off. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, take off. A rich nigga ain't gotta worry about days off or how to get the next top model to take her clothes off. I'm dreaming, I know, just bear with me, y'all. This make believe, you can join in and play along. Close your eyes, this your song. You on stage at the VMAs, crowd chant you on. This off to the Oscars, BNX award. Designer clothes, living in homes you couldn't afford. Reality shows, family members and Betty Ford. Everything you prayed for, you receive from the Lord. Like that latest foreign car, kids tuition paid for, bills up the par. Need I say more? I mean, what more can I say, man? The world is yours. When you're dreaming, you the dealer, you control the cards. I know life is what you make it, but you get better odds when you're dreaming.
Just let me be, don't wait, just let me dream. If you're dreaming, just let me be, don't wait, just let me dream. If you're dreaming, just let me be, don't wait, just let me dream.
Laid up, posture, Peter Cassick, Craftmatic, Go Propeller, Platinum Chopper, Heliport in Tallahassee. George McFly, aka Tag Me, BKA the Tappan Zee. Yo, homie, you should get at me. I got what you need, it's all love, let's live lavishly. We ain't gotta kill one another and live savagely. Martin had a dream, let's share it and save humanity. Live in harmony, in accord without tragedy. They burn the churches, bombing villages or catastrophes. All I was dreaming till the live news flash and woke me. I was having a good dream, sailing the 7 seas, sipping on vintage grapes, glowing on bravery. Will Nessa was still alive and so was Biggie. Aaliyah and Left Eye, Sugar Pop was with Diddy. J&J was on the wheels, punting, Big L was getting busy. KRS and Scott LaRock and formed the committee.
Just let me be, don't wait, just let